Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta haul. I haven't done an Ulta haul since before Christmas, so if you guys want to see what is inside, then keep watching. So there's not a whole lot in this Ulta haul. I had some points expiring and a gift card from Christmas. That's kind of just why I made the order. Nothing's from the 21 Days of Beauty because nothing hit me in the 21 Days of Beauty. Like, nothing was interesting, to be honest. And I also was influenced by two people to purchase some of the things because I watch way too much YouTube. And I opened the box already because one of the things I did get was a powder highlighter, and I just wanted to make sure it wasn't shattered into a million pieces when it arrived. The first product I'm going to mention is this Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. Someone I watch on YouTube, her name is Dolly Mama Beauty. Her name is also Amy. She does this series called $5 Fridays, and she was mentioning these, and I was like, right when I watched it the day before I had gone to Walmart, picked up Precious Petals, put it in my cart, and decided to take it out, and I don't know why. And she was like, you need it. So I got it. I haven't swatched it yet. Looks really pretty on my finger. Ooh, it's pretty. It kind of reminds me of Mirame in a way. Can you guys see it? My swatches stink. If you're new to my channel, my fingertips are really, really dry. And so my swatches don't come out the best. But this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm excited to try this. Really excited. And this was really affordable. I think it was like $4.99 or something like that. The next two products are two things I promised myself I would never purchase. And they are two Morphe brushes. Am I a beauty guru yet? I don't have a promo code though, so darn. But I got the M330 and the M433. They're both blending brushes. I kind of just went on the Morphe website and looked up like the Jaclyn Hill favorites, to be completely honest with you, just to see like what she recommended. And I like these. I have not used them yet. I like them. They're very fluffy. They felt good. I was playing with them in my crease last night with nothing on the brush just to see how they kind of felt. They're really soft, so I'm excited to try them out. These were really affordable too. I think they were both $6, which is a great price for brushes, so I may have to get more Morphe brushes. Next thing is this Fizz and Bubble lip scrub, and it is in the scent Mint Mojito. I kind of want to say flavor because the directions literally say use a pea-sized amount, scrub your lips, and then lick off the rest. So is it a flavor? Is it a scent? I don't know. But on the Ulta website, they had a ton of different flavors / scents, and I used this last night because my lips have been so disgustingly dry. I have the lip exfoliator from e.l.f. and I just don't like it anymore. It doesn't exfoliate my lips. I feel like it just doesn't do anything. So I gave this a try last night, and oh my god, my lips are so soft even still, and I used this more than 12 hours ago. So it's really good. I would recommend it. It was between like $6 and $8. I'll put the prices in the corner, but really, really good. I really like this, and it smells so good. Next up, I got these three NYX glitters. These are honestly 3 shades I always wanted when I would go to my Ulta store, and they just never had. They for some reason don't have names written on them, but there were names on the website. So this one is MGLI05, and it's just this really pretty white iridescent shade. I'm loving it. Then this next one is in MGLI03, and it's like a pinky, purpley iridescent. It's just so cool. I don't know if the camera's picking up how cool it is, but it's so cool. And then the last one is MGLI06, and then this one, as I throw it, is like a black iridescent one. It kind of reminds me of like an oil slick, so be prepared to see those in future tutorials. And the last couple items I got are all from the brand Catrice. I was watching Dana Ann. She also goes by Dolly Dolly? Something like that. I don't remember what her old channel name used to be, but she did an Ulta haul recently and got a bunch of things from Catrice, and I was like, making me want to spend all my money. So I got some of the things that were like interesting looking to me. And first is this Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer in Candlelight. So all you have to do is shake it well. That's what it says. And then it's like a dropper like this. And then I'm just gonna drop some. Okay, guess I didn't suck any up in the dropper. Okay, got some. Just gonna rub it. Ooh, it feels really nice on the skin. Like, it's very cool, but that's just because my fan was on and it's cool. So I'm gonna see how this works out. I'm really excited. I feel like I put too much on, but it looks like it's just gonna give like a really pretty luminous glow underneath my foundation, and I absolutely love that because my skin is always so dry like a desert. The other thing that she was talking about was this Retouch Brightening Concealer, and this is a moisturizing one, and it's, I think it's like a purple. Yeah, it's a lavender, so it's going to brighten the under eyes, and I'm excited to try this because my under eyes have been really dark lately. And oh, it's like a brush. I used to have like a whitening, like a teeth whitening pen that looked like this. I'll just be here cranking it up. Hello? Okay. Okay. I think something's coming. So this is what this looks like. It's just a purple concealer pretty much. And I'm really interested to try this out and see how that goes underneath the eyes and see if my eyes get brighter. And then the other two things I got from Catrice are these Aqua ink in gloss lip stains. I got 2 shades because I was being really indecisive and I almost bought all, like 5 of them, and I was like, no, Kristen, you don't need all of those, but here we are with 2. This is the shade Burgundy Sunset Waves, and then this one is Let's Mauve to the Beach. All the names were really cute, so I have not swatched these yet. So, oh, it's pretty. It's just gonna give like a nice lip tint, I think, and it's not like anything crazy. I like the mauve. Ooh, I don't have any. I actually don't really have shades like these. So this is the this one right here is Burgundy Sunset Waves. Yes, Burgundy Sunset Waves, and then this one is Let's Mauve to the Beach. And that is it for this Ulta haul. What have you purchased in the past couple of weeks from Ulta? Anything cool, anything exciting, or Sephora? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's chat. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!